Guess what, guys? It has arrived. Well, I just got this mystery box from VOIP Supply, which I have been told is to be the first of many boxes of things VOIP that they want me to do video reviews for on our YouTube channel. Now, for those of you who don't know what VOIP Supply is, they are one of the largest distributors, if not the largest distributor, of all things voice over IP in the United States. So things like headsets, IP phones, wireless conference phones, wireless IP phones, cordless phones, you name it. If it has anything to do with voice over IP in the business and in some ways the consumer market, they offer it. So anyways, let's see what's in the box. Easier to get open than I thought. Oh, yes. So, looks like we got something here from Yealink. Let's see if there's any indication of what it is. It says it's a Yealink T54W. Demo phone, prime business phone, SIP T54W. We've got a Polycom VDX 350. Oh, this is going to be a good one, you guys. This is a super popular phone, but we'll talk about this more in the review video when the time comes. What else do we have in here? And it looks like they sent us a Grandstream GXP 2170. Very familiar with Grandstream, but never heard of this phone. Look at how much bigger this box is than the others. So this should be interesting to see what's in this box. And then last but not least, let's move all this stuff out of the way. Got a Fanville phone. I've never actually heard of Fanville until this moment. So this is actually going to be pretty interesting to review to find out, you know, what it is, what Fanville is, where they come from, and how they stack up to some of the more popular phones that we see in the market, like Polycom, Yealink, and Grandstream, and Cisco, and some of that. So, yeah, this will be pretty cool. So again, we got a Fanville, we got a Yealink, a Polycom, and a Grandstream, which seems to be the largest of all of these. So this is actually going to be pretty cool to review these and see what VOIP Supply sent over. So I gotta say, I am super excited to unbox those and do a review on them. We're going to do those in separate videos. I'll do separate videos on each one talking about what it is, you know, the pros and cons, what my honest opinions are on each phone and kind of where I've seen the benefits of them in the market. If you'd like to know more about VOIP Supply or exactly what they are, if you look below this video, if you're on our channel, or look below this video on our blog, there'll be a direct link to our website that talks a little bit more about who they are, what they do, and how they represent all things VOIP. Also, if you click the links below to go to VOIP's website, understand that we are an affiliate for them, so by shopping through that, you support our channel. So again, thanks for watching the video. Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group. Talk to you guys again in the next video.